G'day everyone, welcome to draft order draw for the 23-24 Riverboat Fantasy. So a message here saying that we're live. We're live, thanks. I already got these started a bit, so all I did was put in the names that are there. I'll see if someone will write me a random number. Someone write me a random number for times to shuffle. 7. 7. Yep, thanks, Shannon. You're waiting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Higher Lux. Who came last year? Let's check here. We gotta give the bottom 4 teams. Better odds, because I've been doing that every year there. Standings. Harper, Gary, Mark, and Keith. Oh, good for you guys. Oh. Harper, Gary, Mark, and Keith. Faster. 210. Alright. So Gary, Harper, Mark, Keith. That was the bottom 4, right? Keith, Mark. Yep, Harper. Alright, I think we're ready. This is a big one. Holy frig. There goes Travis. Gary. Gary's got first. Travis second. So much for that luck, eh, Harper? Holy. Alright, so that's it. Thanks, guys, and good luck.